Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the different wallpaper images on the lock screen and the home screen wallpaper. So in this device you can see this is the home screen wallpaper and the lock screen wallpaper is also same. So let me show you how to set the different images as the lock screen and the home screen wallpaper. For this, go to settings, then tap on the option wallpaper. So here you can see the option add new wallpaper. Tap on this one, and from here you can easily select the wallpaper that you want to set. You can select even your gallery also you can set. So here I am going to set the photo from the gallery. So here I am going to select this one. Now you can adjust this wallpaper like this. Now tap on the option add. Here you can see the option set as wallpaper pair. If you select this one, then this wallpaper will automatically apply to the home screen and the lock screen. So here you can see one more option, customize home screen. Select this one and tap on the option photo, and from here, from your gallery, you can easily select any photo from your device only. Tap on this one. So from here I am going to select this one. Now we can again adjust this one to pinch this image. After that tap on done. Okay, again tap on done. Now you can see, just wait. This is for the lock screen and this is for the home screen. Now let me show you. You can see the home screen wallpaper you can see, and the lock screen wallpaper is also you can see. Both are different. This is the lock screen and this is the home screen wallpaper. So simply in this way we can set the different images as lock screen and the home screen wallpaper in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.